Layn, Avail University. My name's Conrad Layn. I have an Avail nightmare for you, something that really occurred for me that really kind of jolted me. And my car, unfortunately, an Avail renter parked my car in the wrong area. I think it was a red zone. My car got impounded. That was a disaster because my car was impounded, and that means you get charged per day. And we didn't know where the car was, but guess what happened? Avail tracks the car. Does they have a tracker in it? So that's the first benefit. They turned this nightmare into a wonderful dream. They paid for the impound. They paid me for the reservation, even though there was days left. For example, the renter had it for 3 days, but they booked the car for 15 days. I got paid for the other 12 days. And I still got paid guaranteed earnings on top of that. So not only Avail picked up the car on my behalf, went to the lot and picked it up, paid for it in full. I didn't have to worry about it. They took care of the car, washed it, cleaned it, put it back on the road, make sure it was okay. And then guess what happened? And they paid me. Perfect dream, which was a great alternative to what it could have been. This is one of the reasons I have such strong conviction for Avail Car Share, because they're backed by a powerful company, Allstate. You get a free Allstate policy. They take care of all the claims. They'll pick up your car if it gets impounded, like what happened to me. And I was just collecting money. That's about it. It's like nothing even happened. I didn't have to do anything. That's the power of Avail, people. Like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram, Carlin out.